If you are looking for a Ford F750 Scan Tool, then you have come to the right place. In this article, we will take a look at 7 of the best options that are currently available on the market. We will also provide a buyer's guide to help you choose the right one for your needs. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the FIXD OBD2 Professional Bluetooth Scan Tool. The FIXD Scan Tool for Ford Mazda is a reliable OBD2 diagnostic tool that is perfect for a beginner to professional user. The FIXD Scan Tool for Ford Mazda is a reliable OBD2 diagnostic tool that is perfect for a beginner to professional user. This tool has a USB connector for quick and easy connection speed and runs at nearly 500 bits per second. The great function about this tool is the activated toggle switch that allows the user to customize settings without visiting a mechanic. This tool has been rated one of the top Ford scanners for Lincolns, Mazdas, and Mercury cars that includes any make and model from 1996 and up. The best part is that this Ford Scan Tool is also equipped to help even the most recent 2020 and 2021 cars and trucks. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the OBLINK OBD2 Adapter. The OHP Wi-Fi Forescan OBD2 Adapter for Windows, Android and iOS is not only a scan tool but also functions as a code reader and scanner. Another product that is hot on the market right now is the OHP Wi-Fi Forescan OBD2 Adapter for Windows, Android and iOS. This user-friendly Ford Scan Tool can help you with do-it-yourself diagnostics. This Ford scanner is not only a scan tool but also functions as a code reader and scanner. With the easy-to-use interface, you can connect to your vehicle through Wi-Fi and start reading trouble, DTC, codes, and even reset your oil light. Forescan is compatible with an application for an additional purchase that can be accessed straight from your phone. The Forescan software allows you to make customizable changes to your vehicles such as tire size correction, a heated steering wheel, and much more. At number 3 on our list, we have the OHP OBLINK OBD2 Adapter. The ELM327 Forescan OBC2 Adapter OBLINK USB Scanner Diagnostic Scan Tool is another popular product. The ELM327 Forescan OBC2 Adapter OBLINK USB Scanner Diagnostic Scan Tool is another popular product. With reliable advantage of USB cable connection and V1.5 version hardware, it's more stable than the wireless connection and achieves pro-level check engine light programming. This scanner is able to access and enable the hidden modules, troubleshoot all the undesired features preset in your vehicle with faster functionality. The user can edit and change settings without a visit to a dealer and save money by not having to pay for each single module to be activated or deactivated. At number 4 on our list, we have the Autofix 7710 scanner. The Autofix 7710 OBD2 Ford Diagnostic Scanner supports multiple models and systems that are compliant with 12V voltage and 16-pin connectors from 1996 from 2017. The Autofix 7710 OBD2 Ford Diagnostic Scanner supports multiple models and systems that are compliant with 12V voltage and 16-pin connectors from 1996 from 2017. The common functions for common Ford models include reset PCM cam, reset the oil, change the indicator, reset the EPB brake pad, and support follow function. The Autofix 7710 OBD2's unique design automatically identifies vehicles with the original factory, so you don't need to choose brands. The scanning system failure highlighted allows users to know their specific problems clearly. The scanner is convenient and easy to use. At number 5 on our list, we have the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD Scan Tool. This Ford Scan Tool uses Bluetooth technology to connect to your vehicle's computer and puts a professional tool inside your handheld device. BlueDriver is a brand that has a reliable reputation with a strong following of happy customers. This Ford Scan Tool uses Bluetooth technology to connect to your vehicle's computer and puts a professional tool inside your handheld device. This Ford Scan Tool stands out amongst the rest based on the compatibility range across a number of vehicle makes and models. If you are a DE mechanic or a professional, this scan tool can help with GM, Ford vehicles, Chrysler, Toyota and more. Our focus today is Ford Scan Tools, and this OBD2 scanner can access Ford models that include Lincoln and Mercury vehicles. The BlueDriver LSB2 Bluetooth Pro works with live data reading to pull real-time information from your car. At number 6 on our list, We have the VPiac OBJECT-BLI Bluetooth OBD. The VPiac OBJECT-BLI OBD2 Bluetooth scanner can turn your iPhone, iPad, or Android phone or tablet into a sophisticated car scan tool. The VPiac OBJECT-BLI OBD2 Bluetooth scanner can turn your iPhone, iPad, or Android phone or tablet into a sophisticated car scan tool. With this tool, users are able to customize dashboards, estimate fuel economy, freeze frame data, reset check engine light, prepare smog tests, and view real-time sensor readings. The scanner comes with a mini carrying case, requires no complex settings, but may require a separate third-party app purchase. And finally, at number 7 on our list, we have the OBLINK MX Plus OBD2 Bluetooth scanner. The OBLINK MX Plus OBD2 scanner is a Ford scan tool that adapts any handheld device into a professional scan tool. Last, but definitely not least, the OBLINK MX Plus OBD2 scanner is a Ford scan tool that adapts any handheld device into a professional scan tool. The OBLINK MX Plus scan tool is the improved, quicker, and more feature-rich version of the past OBLINK products. This tool works with both GM LAM and Ford MScan networks, which means it is adaptable to your vehicle needs. If you are needing a Ford scan tool that can help read trouble codes, grant access to ECAS and help with ABS, tire pressure, AC and more, this is it. Not to mention that this Ford OBD2 scan tool also has hacker-proof technology and a sleep mode. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.